5 ways athletes can use AI. These are total game changers. Remember, please hit like and subscribe. It really helps the algorithm recommend this video to people just like you. 1. Personalized performance optimization. Real-time biometric analysis. AI-powered wearables will continuously monitor an athlete's heart rate, muscle activity, and other vital signs during training and competition. Predictive injury prevention. By analyzing patterns in data, AI can identify potential injury risks before they occur, allowing for targeted prevention strategies. Customized training plans. AI will create highly personalized workout regimens based on an athlete's strengths, weaknesses, goals, and recovery needs. 2. Augmented reality or AR coaching. Real-time feedback. AR overlays can provide instant feedback on technique, form, and strategy during training and competition. Virtual coaching. Athletes can access world-class coaching from anywhere, with AI-powered avatars demonstrating and correcting movements. Immersive practice environments. AR can create simulated game-like scenarios, allowing athletes to practice in different conditions and against various opponents. 3. AI-powered equipment. Smart gear, equipment like rackets, clubs, and skis, will incorporate AI to provide real-time adjustments based on athlete performance and environmental conditions. Performance optimization. AI-powered gear can analyze an athlete's movements and provide feedback to improve technique and power. Injury prevention. Smart gear can detect abnormal forces and vibrations, alerting athletes to potential injury risks. 4. Mental performance enhancement. Personalized mental training. AI can create tailored mental training programs based on an athlete's psychological profile and performance data. Biofeedback integration. AI can analyze physiological responses to stress and anxiety, providing real-time feedback and relaxation techniques. Opponent analysis. AI can analyze opponent behavior and strategies, helping athletes develop effective mental countermeasures. 5. AI-driven nutrition and recovery. Personalized nutrition plans. AI can analyze an athlete's dietary habits, performance data, and genetic makeup to create optimal nutrition plans. Recovery optimization. AI can recommend specific recovery strategies, such as sleep, hydration, and supplements based on individual needs. Supplement optimization. AI can analyze the effectiveness of different supplements and create personalized supplementation plans. AI can be a real game changer in your sport. We hope some of the ideas in this video will help you to further enhance your game plan. Want to learn more? Visit us at mykidscorporation.com, where the fun never ends.